So I thought it would be fun to make my own ugly Christmas sweater this year. So I went to the dollar store and grabbed some crafts. These are felt ornaments that clip on. I've got some snowmen, I've got a Christmas tree, I've got Santa Claus. I also picked up some of these tiny bells. These are going to be fun. I also have a branch of holly, some pine cones, an apple. It's quite pretty. I'm hoping to make a bouquet with this massive poinsettia that I also picked up. It looks a little shiny on camera, but it's actually a really pretty velvety type fabric that's been used for the poinsettia. So this is going to be incorporated into the sweater. I'll be using this sweater. It's just an older one that I don't wear much anymore, but I still do like it a lot. I like the fit of it, and I think the neckline is perfect for embellishing. And these are my supplies. I've just got some thread, red, white, and black, and a needle. I grabbed my hair dryer. These things are stuck on so well that I need to soften the glue a bit before I can remove it. I mean, I'm pretty impressed considering it's a dollar store item. Thought it would be easy to remove these clips, but I guess not. Ta-da! Wow. Didn't think that would be so challenging, but here we are. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of these. And these are pretty good clips that can be reused again. So of course I'm not gonna toss those. I'm gonna So this is what I have in mind for this sweater. I misplaced one of my Christmas trees. I don't know how. Like so. Like so. That works. I like that. And just space them out better. And of course I'm gonna put a couple, since I have extras. I still have 4 pieces. I'm gonna put a couple along the back of the neck. These tiny bells have a little loop at the top, so I'm just gonna tack them on to the sweater, and that's the plan. Just tack them on everywhere, disperse them nicely, tack them on everywhere onto the sweater with the needle and thread. So I'm just gonna tack the tray down, the first one, so I know where my placement is and what I'm working from. And this is gonna take some elbow grease. I use a fairly thick needle. Whoops. Take 2. I made the knot much bigger, by the way, so hopefully it doesn't go right through the fabric. It's not a very loose knit, but I think the spot I put it in wasn't the right one. Yeah, this requires a lot of elbow grease. I found some metallic thread. I had this in my stash. I didn't go out and buy it. You can use any matching thread. I think it would look good. And this is what I used. That's the brand. This is what I used for the sweater. And here is my sweater. I think it's so cool. I'll be adding a little more to this. But as of right now, this is what we have. Put some of the beads along the sleeve. I also put one of those ornaments on the top part of the wrist. And that's the back. So the next thing I need to do is prepare the flower for the brooch, because that's what I'll be making with this. So I'm just gonna pop the flower off of the stem, and I'm gonna take it apart because these plastic flowers usually come apart quite easily. I'm not gonna trim the stem on this right now. Let's see what we have to work with. I have a scrap piece of felt. I'm just gonna cut a rectangle. And I'm gonna make a hole through the center and feed the flower through, so I have a flat base to work with, and this part is gonna be sitting against the sweater. And then I'm just gonna attach the poinsettia to the left breast of the sweater. I'm gonna attach it with a pin. So here it is, the final product. I love it. It's so cool. Ooh.